In this video, we'll be discussing table of contents and page numbering. These two features work together in print, and understanding how they connect will save you a lot of confusion. We'll start with the table of contents. In Lacuna, the table of contents is a special section type. You can have a table of contents for just ebooks, just print, or for both. The default is for both. The key differences between print and ebook are, for print, your table of contents will always show page numbers because Lacuna doesn't render links for printed books. You also get the option to show leader dots. Those are the dotted lines that connect the title and the page number. For ebook and ebook PDFs, your table of contents will have clickable links instead of page numbers. You can choose to show just the title, just the subtitle, or both with a separator. There's also an option to turn off the underline on links if you want a cleaner look. When you click on your table of contents section, you'll see all these options in the form on the right. You can toggle chapter numbering, pick your title format, and adjust the styling based on whether it's for print or ebook. Chapter numbering will only work on sections that are set as chapter types. If you import a Word document that already has a table of contents, Lacuna will try to keep it, but we really recommend using our built-in table of contents instead. Our table of contents gives you automatic linking for ebooks, all the display customization we just talked about, and accurate page numbers for print. An imported table of contents is just text and links. It won't update if you make changes to your book. To switch to our table of contents, just right-click the imported section in your section navigation and go to Convert to, then pick Table of Contents. You can also do this from the Section Options menu if you're editing the section already. Now let's talk about page numbering. The first thing to know is that ebooks don't have page numbers. E-readers come in all different sizes and text reflows to fit the screen. There's no fixed page, so there's no distinct page numbers. Page numbers are only for your print books. When it comes to print, you can control everything about your page numbers in the Print Settings panel. We'll start at the Page Layout tab. There's an option called Begin Counting Pages at Chapter 1. This is the setting that controls whether you see Roman numerals in your table of contents. When Begin Counting Pages at Chapter 1 is turned on, everything before your first chapter type, all your front matter, gets lowercase Roman numerals. Then your first chapter starts at page 1 with regular numbers. If you don't want Roman numerals and you want everything to use regular Arabic numbers, just turn off this option. Now your front matter pages will be counted as 1, 2, and 3, and your chapter pages will continue from there. Another thing you might notice is front matter sections like your copyright page and table of contents don't show headers and footers on the first page by default. This is intentional. These sections are usually just one page and it looks cleaner without the running header or page number at the top or the bottom, but you can overwrite them if you choose to. If you would like to control the headers and footers on front matter's first page, you go to the Section Options menu, click Customize Print Settings, and you'll find toggles for Force Header on First Page and Force Footer on First Page. Turn these on and your front matter will show the headers and footers the way that you want them. To control where your page numbers show up on your page, you can go to the Headers and Footers tab. Here you will see an easy way to drag and drop your page numbers in one of the 6 zones. You'll need to configure both the left page and the right page, and always remember to save your changes to commit them to your book. One more thing about table of contents before we end the video. If you're using book parts to organize your sections, the table of contents will automatically indent the sections that belong to each part. If you're not familiar with setting up book parts in Lacuna, here's a quick and easy way to do it. In the Sections navigation menu to the left, you can hold Control or hold Shift to select multiple sections. Right-click one of them and choose Create Part from Sections. This is the easiest way to set them up.